Do you want to know how you can earn up to 900 USD by using AI tools in affiliate marketing? When it comes to earning money in affiliate marketing, you always need a trick to be able to generate customers, to generate different sales to the given product or company so that you can be able to make money. In affiliate marketing, you always need to be able to sell more so that you can be able to earn more. In this video, I'm going to be showing you different 8 ways you can be using AI as a trick so that you can be make up to 900 USD a day by doing affiliate marketing. Suppose that you are doing affiliate marketing where we're selling the product and you earn money. For instance, you're earning 50 USD per the product you sold. To be able to earn 900 USD, which means you are required to be selling 18 sales or to be generating 18 sales so that you can be able to make such amount of money. That is the reason why you need a trick so that you can be able to generate those kind of sales. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the trick so that you can be using AI in 8 ways so that you can be able to achieve that target and be able to earn that money as well. If you did not subscribe to the channel Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and hit the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Starting with affiliate marketing, you can be going to different platforms. When you go to affiliate marketing, research for affiliate marketing, you will see various information talking about affiliate marketing, and that is why we learn what you will be able to do. And you can see different platforms are explaining affiliate marketing as the marketing model in which third-party publishers promote merchant goods or services. That means you're going to be promoting the product of other person or product of the merchant so that you can be able to earn commission. You are attracting traffic or generating traffic to the to the other party's product so that you are going to be earning the percentage of the sales you have generated or the web traffic you have generated to the merchants. So now you can be asking yourself, how can I use artificial intelligence to be able to earn such amount of money in affiliate marketing? What to do when it comes to affiliate marketing? Also, you need to be generating the sufficient traffic to be able to make money. For instance, you can be able to attract 100 or 1,000 people who are going to visit the platform or to visit the given link, but you can be asking yourself, how many people have been converted into the sales to be able to earn money on your site? The first way you can use artificial intelligence to earn money is to select the niche. Niche selection is very important when it comes to affiliate marketing. For instance, you are going to be able to promote the product regarding the sport product. If you're going to be promoting the sport product, you need to be able to also to understand who are my niche. For instance, I want to be able to see sports niche. If you are going to be seeing sport niche, you can be able to use, for instance, other AI tools like ChatGPT to understand the niche that you are going to be targeting. When it comes to selecting the niche, that is going to be helping you to understand who are the people am I targeting so that you can be able to advertise or to promote your product or your affiliate platforms, even your affiliate product to that targeted niche so that you can be able to get the sufficient result. You can use the tools like Semrush, Ahrefs. For instance, if you come to Ahrefs, you can be able to generate also the niche you want to be targeting, and also here you can identify who am I going to be targeting so that I can be able to make money in affiliate marketing. It's up to you to use the different tools. It's up to you to use different platforms, but these all platforms are artificial intelligence tools that you can be able to use and be able to understand who am I going to be targeting. Also, you can be able to use Semrush. If you use Semrush, it's going to be helping you as well to identify the niche you want to be targeting. If you use this, also that's going to be helping you to understand who are my niche, what do I want to be targeting, how am I going to be spending my money for promoting my affiliate product. The second way you can use artificial intelligence to support your affiliate marketing target is to create a content. You can use different tools like a Copy AI. If you use the Copy AI tools to be able to create content, and this is going to be helping you to have content. For instance, you need to have a video, you need to have a written content which is in the forms of article. Those are all going to be helping you to promote your affiliate. When it comes to affiliate marketing, it is always sounding great if you are going to be using the content to promote your affiliate links. For instance, if you are going to be creating an appealing video or the information you are going to be providing to the audience or to the target audience you want to be targeting, and also promote your links, that is the best way to approach the audience you are targeting, so that they can be interested, or you can be converting them into the sales. You can use other tools like Jasper and ChatGPT, also Google Gemini. You can also be using be able to use different tools to generate content or to support you in the content creation, which is going to help to helping you reaching out a lot of number of people. That is going to be helping you to generate money as well. The more you generate, the more you reach too many people, the more you can be able to generate a lot of money. The third one is to also it can be helping you in SEO or search engine optimization. You can use different tools like keyword research tools. Also, you can be able to use it to be able to work on your SEO or search engine optimization. For instance, if I use keyword research tool, you can be able to understand what are the keywords am I going to be using. Also, for instance, you can be able to read different keyword research tools and be able to know which one can you be able to use. Also, this is going to be helping you to understand what are the keywords are you going to use to promote your affiliate product, so that you can reach out to different or to the huge number of audience who will be converted into sales. Another thing, or another way you can be using AI to be able to support your affiliate marketing target, is also to generate traffic. When it comes to generating traffic, you need also to prepare your marketing so that it can be effective and it can be personalized to the given audience you are targeting. If we are using our example in a sports or niche, if for instance, if we are going to be targeting the sport niche, you can use the AI tools like HubSpot and other affiliate and other marketing tools to support you, so that you can be able to target the given number of audience you want to be targeting. For instance, you can be able to target the people who are interested in reading sport articles, and also put the HubSpot newsletter on your article, so that they can be able to subscribe and be able to get notified when you have new information. In that case, you can be able to give them articles and also be able to they can be your rates in this way. Also, that is the context where they can be converted into the sales that you want to be turning affiliate marketing sales. Another way you can use artificial intelligence in affiliate marketing is in social media automation. When you are using different social media, you want to be posting, of course, and you want to be you want the audience to be able to know or to understand what you have posted on time. Or maybe you want to be scheduling the posts within twice a day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day, and you are not always available to be able to post in the given time. But by using social media automation like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, for instance, if you come to Hootsuite, you can be able to target or to be able to automate your social media marketing, so that you can be able to reach out to the audience without consisting your much efforts. For instance, if you are asleep, you can say maybe I will be posting my articles at 12 a.m. and also that time that will not be available. You can prepare your article in advance or your post in advance, so that you will be able to post itself. In that case, you can be able to reach to your target client in the real time, which means they can be able to visit your platform, to visit your links, to visit your different products you are going to be promoting in affiliate marketing. That is where they can be converted into the real clients you want as well. The next way you can use AI to achieve your affiliate marketing target is ad campaigns. When it comes to affiliate marketing, of course you need to be learning ads to be able to reach to the certain audience. That is the reason why you need to calculate and see if you want to be learning the ads. Also, what do I need to do? So you need to be understanding how much money do you have to spend in learning ads, and also how much money are going to be generating as the revenue which you will be having, which means that is the amount of money less the amount of money spent on advertisement and different affiliate marketing activities, which will help you to see the net profit you have earned in your affiliate marketing procedures. So you can use AI to learn ads, to create ads, and also to select the target audience so that you can be able to learn ads. Once you run ads, you can be able to be beneficial because you have the target you add to the real audience, which is going to help you manage your advertising budget other than spending your budget without conversion. There is also conversion rate optimization. When it comes to conversion rate optimization, that means you need to understand how you can optimize the people who are going to be converted into sales. This is very important in affiliate marketing and of course in the advertisement, because you always need to optimize the conversion rate. Having 1,000 of people who are visiting your product is not enough, but you need to also to be able to ensure that you convert them into the real customers who are going to be purchasing your product or to be consuming your services. With affiliate marketing, you can use A/B testing, for instance, to be able to optimize your conversion rate, to be able to influence the rates, to convert the rates into sales, or to be able to convert the customers into the consumers who are going to be able to purchase your product, your affiliate product, which is going to be helping you attaining your affiliate marketing budget as well. Also, the next way you can use AI to be able to achieve your affiliate marketing targets, you can also use analytics and reportings. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to understand how are the behavior of the customers who are visiting my product. How are they behaving? How also, what did the information am I getting from the people who are visiting my product? What information am I getting from the people who have visited my platform? And also, what is the engagement rate? How can I understand the needs of my audience? How many people are visiting my platform? What age ranges? Which location? By understanding this information, by having these analytics, by having this data, you can be able to select which location, which target audience can you target for you. Can you target your audience, or can you target your marketing, your advertisement, so that you can be able to generate money in affiliate marketing? Remember that you need to be hitting the certain amount of number of people who are going to be purchasing or to be completing orders to be able to earn money. Which means, for instance, as we said, if we are going to be earning 900 USD, we need to have at least 18 people who are going to be completing orders if we are going to be earning the commission of 50 USD per order. That means by having a report, you can understand who are interested in our products so that we can target them and be able to make money without also displaying our advertisement and sharing our product to the people who are not the real ones or who are not interested in our services. The last way you can use affiliate marketing to be able to make money or to reach your affiliate marketing target is email marketing. Here you can use email marketing tools such as Mailchimp. Also you can use SendBrew. You can use other email marketing tools. Those are also the ways you can be able to keep reaching out, to keep in touch with your customers, or you can be able to send them the emails. Email marketing refers to the way that you can be able to send the emails to the clients you are having, or to the users who have subscribed to our products, and then you can be able to reach out to them. Also you can be able to use to be able to let them know that you have a new product, that you have a new articles which they can read and be able to also to learn more about your affiliate marketing product you are advertising that time. This can also help you to be able to get in touch with them and also to be able to communicate with them. This is going to be helping you. For instance, if you use the article, is going to be helping them, and also if you use the given, is going to be helping them to be able to understand and make money as well. If you understand, or if you have able to you have been able to manage to reaching out to the customers or to your subscribers, that is the first way to approach them. And also if you communicate to them your articles, your affiliate marketing product, they can be interested and they can be able to purchase your service or product. Remember, to be able to earn money in affiliate marketing or to be able to achieve the given goal in affiliate marketing, you need to have sufficient sales in affiliate marketing. And also what you need is also to ensure that you use the different strategies. In this video, we have explored different ways you can use artificial intelligence so that you can be able to make money or to achieve your affiliate marketing target and be able to earn at least 900 USD, depends on the affiliate commission you're going to be earning to the given product. You can also be able to earn more money than that, depends on the given affiliate marketing procedures you are doing, and depending on the number of clients you have generated to be purchasing or to be completing the orders to the given merchant. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember also to like this video, subscribe this video to this channel Max TV, turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Max TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.